Lenovo right now has come up with two phones, and it is trying its level best to come back and bang on this Indian market, where it's been really a while, more than a year, that Lenovo was not present in the mobile market, but now it has come up with two devices, which is Lenovo K9, which is the killer. So the killer is back, guys, and at the same time a Lenovo A5. So in this video we're going to see the Lenovo A5. Both the phones have been launched in the budget category segment, but the Lenovo A5 has been seriously priced at a very aggressive pricing in the Indian market. So friends, this is the all new Lenovo A5. This is how it looks like. So it has a plastic body, and it has been launched in a very super affordable range. That means less than 6,000. It has a screen of 5.45 inches HD plus screen with the 18:9 full view display. And at the back it has a single camera setup with LED flash and the fingerprint sensor. Talking about the SIM tray slot, so it has a good thing in the SIM tray slot, which is a dedicated SIM tray slot. That means a triple SIM tray slot, 2 nano SIMs, and as well as the SD card. And here you get this power button and the volume rocker, 3.5mm audio jack, micro USB charging port, the mouthpiece. So the highlight of the phone here is the 4000 mAh of battery. In this price range you get 4000 mAh of battery, as well as the triple SIM tray slot. That's triple SIM slot. That's a very good thing. Let's just check out the phone. So display and all is decent. Touch response is average. Viewing angles are also average, but I don't expect much from this price range. According to that, it is pretty decent. So if we talk about the processor of the phone, it has a 1.3 GHz quad core MediaTek 6739 processor. That's a decent processor in that price range. And the highlight of the phone is obviously the 4000 mAh of battery. So 2 days of battery life, and along with that a big charger. So battery issues should not be there at all. Talking about the RAM and ROM, you get two options, which is a 2 GB RAM plus you get two options, 2 GB RAM and 16 GB internal storage, and the other one is 3 GB RAM and 32 GB internal storage. There are two options available, so you can buy according to your need. Coming to the camera part, so the back camera is a single camera setup. That's a 13 megapixel setup with a flash, and in front you get a 8 megapixel setup. So this is how the interface of the camera looks like. You get options like photo, beautify and video, and here you get settings, flash. Okay, so you have AI as well. So that's a very good thing, that in this price range you get AI features. This is how the back camera looks like. Talking about the front camera, that's a 8 megapixel. So in front you as well you get the AI feature, photo, video, beautify, and this is how the interface of the camera looks like in the front. It has been launched at a price range of the 2 GB plus 16 GB variant is 5,999, and the 3 GB plus 32 GB variant is 6,999. This will be a Flipkart exclusive device and will be available very soon. This is it for this video. We'll be back soon with another tech bite. Till then, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you and bye.